I know church hurt is real. I've been on both sides of it. I've been hurt by a church, and I'm certain I've hurt people as a church leader. I wrote this for those of you who are struggling with the church. I get it. Church leaders are failing and falling into embarrassing sin. Abuse is real. Cover-ups happen. Sometimes the money's funny. People are cliquey. There are legitimate and mind-boggling sins being committed by church people. And yet, I think we all need the church. I think you need the church because the church isn't built on people. It's built on the solid foundation of Jesus himself. In Matthew 16, Jesus asks his followers who they say he is. And Peter responds in 16:16 by saying, "You are the Christ, the Son of the living God." And Jesus responds to Peter that upon that confession, upon that understanding, he will build his church, and the gates of hell will not prevail against it. I know it can feel like the leaders of churches are leaders from hell, but the church is not built on a foundation of people. The church is built on a foundation of the Son of God as our Savior, who died and rose again that we might have life. Come on, lean in for just a second. Have you abandoned church because of broken people? The church was never built upon the performance of the people. Pastors are not the church. Thank God for that. The church is built upon the foundation of Jesus giving his life for broken people. And I know you need that foundation in your life.